Hello YouTube, this is Apple Tech coming at you guys with the top 5 tweaks that I have for you guys. Now I'm just going to jump right into these tweaks, and if you like any of these tweaks, just make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And any other information will be in the description below, so just make sure to check that out. So now let's jump into the first tweak. So the first tweak I got for you guys is called iStartup Sound. Now when you download this one from Cydia, there will be an app on your springboard right there. So you just want to click on it, and what iStartup Sound does is whenever you respring or reboot your device, it will show you kind of like a video clip right before your device turns on. So they have a not retina for the 3GS, and then they have the retina for the iPhone 4 or the future iPhone 4S or your iPod 4. So as you guys can see, you have your about up there, which tells you more about this tweak and the developer, and you can follow him on Twitter. You have your disable if you just want to disable this tweak, which is very nice. And now I'm just going to show you the not retina, so you would just click on it and then you can just click OK, and then this is when you need to respring your device. Now if you would want to add one of your custom videos, you would have to go to VAR Mobile and then go to iStartup Movie, and then you can drop your video from there. That's only if you want to add your own. So now I'm going to show you how it looks by simply respringing my device. So as you can see, it's respringing right now, and then the video will play. As you can see, that is the video for your iStartup video, which looks very nice, and then it just jumps into your device. So that is the first tweak. Now let's move on to the second tweak. So the second tweak I got for you guys is called SB Facebook. Now when you download this one from Cydia, there will be an app on your springboard. As you can see, it's that icon right there, and there is nothing in your settings to configure. So once you start up this one is a great application if you have Facebook or if you just use Facebook. This one just allows you to set shortcuts from anything from your Facebook. So say from the post on your wall to the post on a friend's wall, view your wall, view your friend's wall, anything like that, new messages, they will have a shortcut for your Facebook. So as you can see down here, you got your question mark, which tells you more about the tweak and how to use it. Now right here it just tells you more information about the tweak. So if we go back, so you can see you have an eye right here. If you click that one, it tells you more about the developer of the tweak. Now if you would want to delete any icons from your springboard, you would just have to click on the trash can and just click delete. Now over here, this is where you put your own Facebook username, and then you can create your own. Say if I wanted to view my wall, I would just click on it. As you can see, you can just leave this one blank if you want to. Now you want to set up the icon, what you wanted to say. So I'm just going to have it say wall, and then you can put your own custom icon, but I'm just going to leave it as the default one. So after you have set your settings right here, you just want to create the icon, and as you can see, it will ask you, just want to click yes, and it is creating, and it is done. And all you have to do is click OK, and when you exit your springboard, it should appear in a couple seconds. So we'll just wait until it appears. So as you can see right there, it appeared. It only took like a couple seconds, and then it appears. So all you have to do is click on it, and it will launch from their Safari and then pop you to your Facebook, and then it will go straight to your wall. So that's a very nice tweak to have if you use Facebook a lot. So now let's move on to number 3. So the third tweak I got for you guys is called Android Recent Apps. Now this one, when you download it, there will be something in your settings, no icons on your springboard. So you just want to scroll down in your settings, and as you can see right there, Android Recent Applications, you want to click on it, and right here where it says background, you can just customize the background when it pops up. And as you can see, you can just move the colors around from right here, but I'm just going to leave it as black, and you can change the border as well, which is the outside layer. So I might change this one to a lighter color because you guys can see it. As you can see, it's yellow. So you just want to customize it from there, and as you can see, only show active. So that one just shows your active recent apps in the background, and then the other one is just dismissed by your home button. Now when you download this tweak, you will have to activate it from your activator application, so just make sure you have that. And I have it as holding the top status bar. So you just want to scroll down and click on hold, and as you can see, it's right there, Android Recent Apps. So you want to set it however you want, And now all you have to do is hold down on your status bar, and as you can see, you get all your recent apps from here that you just opened. Now this is kind of like the Android layout. Now you can just click on one and it will open it. Now you can actually do this in an application while just performing your activator gesture, and as you can see, I can go to Safari and it will just launch me to my Safari. So once again, that one's called Android Recent Apps. Now let's move on to number 4. Now the fourth tweak I got for you guys is called Animated Battery. Now this one, when you download it from Cydia, you will have to go to your settings, and as you can see, you can just scroll down and then you find Animated Battery right there. Now this one right here just enables the full animation, and then this one enables your full status bar animation. So you can set those up however you want. Now once you have set those up in the settings, you will have to get your device and you will have to connect it to a power source or to your computer for you to see the animation. And as you can see, I connected it, and all you have to do is lock your device, and as you can see, you get your animated battery right there, which looks very nice, and it's a nice tweak to have if you just want to see your animated battery instead of that boring battery that just stays on one line when it's charging. So this is a very nice tweak to have. Once again, it's called Animated Battery. Now let's move on to number 5. So the last tweak I got for you guys is called Back Forward Enhancer. Now when you download this one from Cydia, there will be no apps on your springboard or anything in your settings to configure. Now this one just modifies your back button in Safari. So you want to go to Safari for this one, and as you can see, I'm on youtube.com, and say if I just click on the top, and say if I just go to google.com right there. Now simply what this tweak does is every time you go to a different website, all you have to do is hold down on your back button down here, as you can see, and then it will enhance your back button. So as you can see, all the websites that I have gone on my Safari are mostly YouTube, so you can just click on any of these. As you can see, it takes me to that YouTube page, and say if I click the back button again, you can just go to any other website that you have went to on your Safari. So this is for people who just use Safari a lot and want to enhance their back button or their forward button. As you can see, go to Google, YouTube, or YouTube, any of those. So that's mostly it for this tweak. Once again, it's called Back Forward Enhancer. So that is the 5th tweak of this episode. If you guys want to see other episodes, there will probably be annotations up there so you guys can see those. And I will be having more videos on the top 5 tweaks that I think you should have on your device. So like always guys, you can follow me on Twitter at AppleTech to know when my next video will be posted or what it's going to be about. So that's mostly it. This is AppleTech. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next one.